Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use margin on Fidelity, only ways. Open your account, enable margin in settings, and confirm required agreements to activate margin borrowing. Use margins sparingly, set a clear risk limit, and monitor maintenance margin percentages daily. Avoid using margin for long-term buy and hold strategies unless you understand interest costs and margin calls. I'll walk you through practical steps and common pitfalls today. To start, log in and link your bank account to fund buying power before enabling margin. Review Fidelity's margin agreement and calculate your initial margin requirement and maintenance margin percentages. Decide a target leverage ratio and never exceed it without a stop plan. Set alerts for margin calls and track loan interest charges monthly. Remember, margin amplifies gains and losses, so treat borrowed funds like high-cost capital and plan exits. A simple example helps. 0, 0, 0, 0 equity with 2. 1 margin gives 0, 0, 0, 0 buying power, which doubles both gains and losses. Maintain a cushion above maintenance margin and be ready to reduce positions if stock drops 20% or your maintenance ratio approaches required levels. Avoid using margin for speculative meme stocks and consider paying down margin when markets are volatile. I'll summarize key rules and checklist for safe margin.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.